unlock your dream website with WordPress themes. Tired of complicated website builders? Discover the power of WordPress themes and create a stunning website in minutes. WordPress is the world's most popular content management system. It's free, open source, and incredibly versatile. Perfect for beginners, web developers, and small businesses alike. Themes are pre-designed layouts that instantly transform your website's look and feel. No coding required. Customize everything from colors to fonts with ease. ThemeForest offers a massive library of premium WordPress themes. Each theme is crafted by talented designers and developers. Find the perfect theme for your blog, e-commerce store, or business website. Rest assured, every theme is reviewed for top quality. Plus, they're all built to look amazing on any device. Reach your audience wherever they are. Launch your online store with e-commerce ready themes. Get detailed documentation and expert support when you need it. Ready to build your dream website? Explore ThemeForest's incredible selection of WordPress themes today. Click the link below to get started and unlock your online potential.